Okay, Farah, now start. Okay, so today we will learn about the utilities of psych package. Psych package provides various functions for psychological research and data analysis. Okay, now I am showing you. So, Farah, please you stop share. I will. I will show you the data. Is it visible? No. Okay, I am sharing the screen. Dr. Nimrat, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, we are sharing about how to use the psych package.
Okay, sir.
So this is the empty cards. Initially, you call empty cards. After that, you write down attach. A T T A C H, attach empty cards. If you use the attach command, then you did not to use the dollar. So that is the advantage. Okay. So initially you have to install the psych package. If you want to use install, there is a tools. Okay. And there are install packages. And here you can write down psych. PSYCH. Okay, so this is the psych package. And after that, you have to click the install. Since I have already installed, I do not use this install command. So I am canceling. Now, I have to call the psych package. Calling means library. Library bracket psych. Is it visible to all of you? Shati, visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I am calling library psych. After that, yeah. Now I know there is some continuous data. So I can write down describe. So describe. After that, MPG. MPG is the variable name. Okay. So the advantage is that if you use the psych package, you will get lot of the information. Okay. For example, you can get the number of rows or the number of size of sample, mean, standard deviation, median, trimmed mean, and the MAD. MAD means median deviation. Mean means minimum data, and max means maximum, and then range. Range means maximum minus minimum. Then skewness. Next, kurtosis. After that, you will get the standard error. So many parameters you are getting. Sometimes we are using t-test or ANOVA, and when we have noted the significant differences between the two groups, then it is important to show the descriptive statistics of the two groups. Therefore, we can write down describe dot by. After that, we write down MPG. MPG is the variable name. Then, comma, AM. AM is another variable name. After that, enter. Okay. So here I find two groups. That is the group 0 and the group 1. Two groups I find. Okay. And here two groups are there. You will get the mean because you have noted the significant mean differences. Huh? For example, I am showing you T dot test bracket MPG, then tilde, AM, then enter. So I find that two groups are significantly different. Okay. Since they are significantly different, for your interpretation, you have to show the descriptive statistics of two groups. So here you can find out 17.147, and here you can find out 17.15. Okay. And this is 24.39. Here again you find the 24.39. Show all things, you will get it. Okay. So I can keep this value. Now, if I write down $60 0, then I will get only the 0 group. Okay. So this is all about the descriptive statistics by using the psych package. Now I am requesting Farah to show the PPT. So I stop share. Now Farah, please you share. Yeah, so describe part you have understood and describe dot by that again you have understood. Okay. Next. Next is the pairs dot panels. Okay. So if I, okay, stop share. Now, if we go to the MPG, if I write down str bracket empty cards, okay, I can see that is MPG, DISP, HP, DRAT. Okay, okay. Thank you. So suppose you want to find out the correlation among the several variables. Okay. Then you have to select the variables and assign them in one data frame. For example, I am creating one data frame that is xt is a data frame, data dot frame bracket mpg comma disp comma hp comma drat comma qsec. So I am selecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variables. Okay. And assign them in one data frame. The vector is xt. Then enter. So if I write down head bracket xt, okay. So I am getting the data. Now I want to find out the correlation among these 5 variables. Then I can write down lower core. lower core bracket xt. Xt is the data frame. Okay. So here I can find out that is MPG is negatively correlated with DISP and HP. Similarly, DISP is negatively correlated with DRAT and QSEC. So this lower code, the pattern that is very much accepted by APA or any journal. This is the diagonal line. And this is the correlation coefficient. So MPG is highly correlated with DRAT and QSEC, positively correlated with QSEC, but highly correlated positively also with DRAT. Whereas DISP is positively correlated with HP. Interesting point, MPG is negatively correlated with DISP and HP. And DISP is positively correlated with HP. Theoretically, that is sound. Okay. Now there is another function, pairs PAIRS. কি লিখলাম PAIRS. Here you can find out pairs panels. After that, you are writing XT. XT is the data frame. When you write down the XT, then you will get the distribution of the data. So this graphical distribution you will get.
Say you are mute. Sir, please unmute yourself.
Oh, suddenly it becomes unmute. Okay. So I think whatever I have told, that is clear. I do not know. For example, MPG, it is the histogram, and this is the normal distribution. Okay. And here we can find out positive skewness. And here we find the regression line. Since it is negatively correlated and the correlation is 0.85, so it starts from here. The intercept starts from here and it goes straight here. And this is the regression line. This is a simple regression line. And this is the confidence interval. This is the best fit line or regression line. And here you can find out that MPG is positively correlated with DRAT. Okay. And with QSEC. But the correlation is low in case of QSEC in comparison with the DRAT. So here you can find out the DRAT line. Okay. The intercept starts very close from 0 or 1. It starts from 2. So this is the line. But here we find the correlation is less. Therefore, this is the intercept. It starts from here. Okay, not very close to the 0 or 1. And the line also not very straight, like this. Okay. So in this manner, you can get some idea about the distribution of your variables and how they are related with each other. Now I stop share and requesting Farah to share the screen. Now Farah, next. So this part is over. Achha, this is the alpha and the item total correlation. Okay. Now stop share. I have the data that is H. I have this data. So this, it follows the Likert scaling. Okay. So it is a 5-point rating scale, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 variables are there. For your information, now this is visible. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. So now I am showing you how to do the Cronbach's alpha. You know that Cronbach's alpha is measuring internal consistency. That is, to what extent one item is measuring the construct that is measured by another item. So that is the internal consistency. That indicates the reliability. So when inter-item correlation is high and when item total correlation is high, we can expect high Cronbach's alpha. So here is a data set which is measuring achievement motivation. I am showing you the data set. So 209 observations and 9 variables are there. And now I have removed. Okay, so I am removing earlier data of XT. Okay, now I am creating another XT equal to ACH. So XT is the data frame. XT includes all the data of H. I am not disturbing my H data. Therefore, I am creating another vector. So now I am writing alpha bracket xt. So now it is very clear about the Cronbach's alpha. So the Cronbach's alpha is 0.78, so almost 0.8. That means the alpha is very good. So the internal consistency is good. Now this is the indicator of high internal consistency. So naturally, our interest will be lower code. So this is the lower code. So we find that is all the items, they are correlated with each other. Okay, this is clear. Now I have to find out item total correlation. For that reason, I am writing xt sum. Xt sum equal to apply. Apply xt comma 1 comma sum. So now if I write down xt sum, so I am getting all the total score. Okay, by row. 1 means row. Okay. Now my intention will be to find out the correlation between each item with the total score. For that reason, I am writing xt call bind equal to C bind bracket xt. Okay, so xt is the data set. So xt is the data frame and this is column bind. So now if I write down xt call bind, I will get all the data. Therefore, I am writing COR bracket xt call bind comma xt sum. So now I am getting the item total correlation. Okay. So here I can find out that is some variables, new strategies, new solutions, drive, and feedback. So these 4 items, they are highly correlated with the total score. All the items are related with the total score positively, and it is significantly also. Okay. So I think this is all about the psych package. So students, do you have any question?
Sir, site package has to be installed from the Art Studio itself, where
Yeah,
that's what you said in the beginning. So
yes.
that is from, what is the command for that? I missed that out. Where do you find that? In the
You can
menu?
click the tools
Tools. Okay.
and then the install package.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
After that, if you write down psych and then install.
Install. Okay. Got it.
So the advantage of psych package, that is, by using the psych package, you can do a lot of the multivariate statistics. Since all the multivariate statistics are not in your syllabus, I am limiting myself to only the bivariate. You can do the factor analysis, you can do principal component analysis, you can do cluster analysis. You can do many things using the psych package. Especially the psych package is designed for the students of psychology. You can do all your analysis using the psych package. And this code that I have done, this item total correlation, that is not psych package. That is the general RCRAN, RStudio. Directly it is possible, non-psych package.
Sir, which one?
This code xcol bind, xt sum that I have created now. So this is the vector. And by using this vector, I am doing the item total correlation. This is the item total correlation. This item total correlation you can do without any package. But alpha command pairs.panels describe.by, that is by the psych package. Especially in your study, you have to show the pairs.panels. Describe.by. That is vital.
Sir, what is pairs test panel, sir?
This thing that I have shown, this MPG, GISP, this is a graph. No?
Yes, sir.
So this graph you will get through the pairs.panels.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is the
In
special
histogram
advantage.
normal distribution, we can see, na, sir.
Pairs.panels, one major advantage is that you will get the regression line. That is the best fit line. As well as you are getting the histogram simultaneously.
Histogram and normal distribution.
Yeah.
Skewness also will get, sir. Skewness. Skewness, kurtosis.
Unis means?
Skewness. sir. Skewness.
I cannot follow. Which unit?
Sir, histogram, normal distribution, skewness also we will find.
Oh, skewness, yes. That is by using this distribution.
Yeah, that.
So this, if you look at the HP, you will get that it is positive skewness.
Yes, sir.
And if I are interested to know, describe what is it, HP. So now you can get it, the skewness.
Skewness is very less. 0. That is in positive skewness, sir.
Positive skewness.
Yes.
This is MPG.
Skewness is also positive, sir.
But it is 0.61.
That is less than HP.
Yeah. So now here you can find out the skewness.
Sir, kurtosis we will already find in that negative, sir.
Here kurtosis is negative, minus 0.37. In case of the HP, standard error is 12.12. But in case of MPG, standard error is 1.07.
In case of HP, it is more than
Standard error of mean. Yeah.
yes.
Okay. So this is all about the psych package.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Monalisha. Thank you, Dr. Nimrat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Shati.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Farah.
Thank you, sir.
Now I am closing.